I'm fine, thank you. What about you? Okay, did you talk with me, Lucifer, before? Is it first introduction, right? Right. I think which part are you in India? North means Delhi? Okay. Then I'm from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Oh, have you been Odisha? Oh, okay. And did you finish your breakfast? Yeah, me too. That's why I called you. Yeah. Then, which department are you working? IT department? Oh my goodness. Are you a government employee? Office? Okay, MNC. Okay. Then, are you born and raised in Delhi or what? Oh, wow. Then, how long have you been working? Okay, 10 years. Wow. Then you have so okay. That and do you wanna settle in Delhi or do you wanna come back in Punjab? Home, right? Punjab is a rich state. Then, uh, what time do you go your office? What time do you come back from office? Because you always time active in the HT platform, right? You always night time active on the HT platform, right? Yeah. Right now I am talking with you. Okay. That's why right now you are. Hmm. Right. You are roaming here and there in HT, right? Right. Then I saw your. What are you working? Do you wanna see me on video call? What I will do? Uh, yes. I'm listening. I'm listening. Tell me. I'm not a student. I'm not an employee. I'm unemployed. बेकार हूँ बेकार. हाँ वही है. बेकार भी. या बेकार हूँ. हाँ बेकार होने से भी सबका मदद करते हैं बेकार लोग, राइट. और जो काम करता है वो खुद का ही लाइफ के बारे में सोचता है. वो जो बेकार होता है वो सबको हेल्प करता है. या uh, then you tell how do you like Delhi or do you like Punjab? Right. When you go your hometown, 4 months. Hmm. If you get a continuous 2 days, 3 days holiday, then you go there, right? Yeah. Otherwise, if you get 2 days and then you go one day and you don't get right, then it is a baseless. It is better to stay there in Delhi, right? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Right, right. That is a better also. You can meet also your relative, your friend, and you have any urgent work, you can do it, right? Yeah, and if you that is not possible to go and you roaming here and there, you have so many lots of work in your personal, right? Yeah. Then how long have you been using this platform, HelloTalk? Almost 1 year. Okay. Mhm. Then I think you never talk with anyone, right? You only, pardon? Ah, right, right. Because that is a good online, offline. But if you want to talk with them, that is a required isolate place or that required also free mind, right? You don't have free mind. Pardon? Yeah, yeah, right. Mm-hmm. Within 10 years, have you got promotion? Wow. Then that's why you completed 10 years, right? Yeah. Then your company provide accommodation, everything. Are you outside? Are you in outside? Okay. I think you go there for your personal work or only just for free time? Or